Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about on how to organize your virtual data room for an IPO. An initial public offering is the process by which a private company offers its share to the public for first time. Introduction. An initial public offering is the process by which a private company offers its share to the public for the first time. IPOs can be complex and time consuming process, but they can also be a great way for companies to raise capital and grow their business. And virtual data room is a secure online repository where companies can store and share confidential documents with third parties in a controlled and secure manner. VDRs are commonly used in a variety of business and transactions, including IPOs. And organizing your for an IPO is important for a number of reasons. First, it will make it easier for potential investors to find the information they need. Second, it will help to streamline the IPO process and make it more efficient for everyone involved. Finally, it will help to reduce the risk of errors and omissions. Here are some tips on how to organize your VDR for an IPO. Create a folder structure. This first step to create a folder structure for your VDR. This will help you to organize your documents in a logical way. A common folder structure for IPO VDRs is to have a folder for each category of documents such as financial records, legal documents, and corporate governance documents. Within each category, you can create subfolders to further organize your documents. Use consistent naming convention when naming your folders and files. It is important to use consistent naming convention. This will make it easier for potential investors to find the documents they need. For example, if you may want to name your folders by department or by the documents, you may also want to include the data in the folder name so that you can easily identify the latest version of the documents. Use metadata. Metadata is about the data. It includes things like the title of a document, the author, and the creation data. VDRs allow you to add metadata to your documents. This can help potential investors to find documents they need by searching for specific keywords or criteria. Provide a table of contents. If your VDR contains a large number of documents, it may be helpful to provide a table of contents. This will give potential investors a quick overview of the documents that are available and help them to find the documents they need to quickly and easily. Keep your VDR up to date. Be sure up to date your VDR with latest version of your document. This will ensure that potential investors have access to the most accurate information. Here are some additional tips for organizing your VDR for an IPO. Think about the needs of your investor. When organizing your VDR, it is important to think about needs of your investors. What kind of information will be looking for? How can you make it easy for them to find the documents they need? And use a VDR with advanced features. Some VDRs offer advanced features that can make it easier to organize and manage your documents. For example, some VDRs allow you to create custom indexes and taxonomies. Others allow you to create different view of your data for different user. Get feedback from your investors. Once you have organized your VDR, it is a good idea to get feedback from your investors. This will help you to identify any areas where you can improve the organization of your VDR. In last conclusion, by following these tips, you can create a VDR that is well organized and easy for your investor to use. This will help to streamline the IPOs process and make it more efficient for everyone involved. That's all everyone. I hope you will understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.